How to fix Shopify theme not working. So here I am in my Shopify dashboard, and if you have a problem with your Shopify theme, so there can be a bunch of different reasons on why that is happening. The first reason is maybe the Shopify servers are down. So if you want to know if they are online or offline, you can just search for Shopify server status. And then you should see this one, shopifystatus.com. And then as you can see right now, all systems are operational. So just double check this page right here if there is an offline server or if there are problems with the Shopify server. And if you see if the Shopify server is operational and you still can't see or your Shopify theme is still not loading, so we can try a bunch of different solutions. The first solution is that we can go to the history and delete browsing data for cookies and cache images and files. So sometimes when you use your browser, there can be problems about the cache images and files as well as the cookies from accessing the internet. So what you need to do is that you just need to select a certain time slot right here, like last 15 minutes, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, or last 4 weeks, or all time. And then just click delete data. And then you should go ahead and go back to your Shopify to see if the Shopify theme is now loading. If it's still not loading, also make sure that you are connected to the internet. So just go right here to your internet settings and then see if you are connected to the internet and if your internet has some connectivity to the internet. So maybe your Wi-Fi is on but you don't have internet, so double check that with your network provider. Next, what you can also use or also do is that you can change browsers. So right now I'm using Google Chrome. So maybe your browser is not compatible with Shopify. So maybe you're using like the Internet Edge or Internet Explorer or Firefox. So just experiment with different browsers to see if that fixes the issue. Next, you might also be just using a Shopify trial account, or maybe you haven't paid for the latest bill for your Shopify. So just double check that settings as well. Go to your billing right here and see if you have missed some payments and you need to settle the payments. And also, you can also select a Shopify plan that you want to use. And then next, if all of the solutions that I have told you still doesn't work, maybe the problem is in the theme itself. So maybe you are using the old version of your Shopify theme. What you can do is that you can just go to the theme library and test out some different themes. Or what you can also do is that you can contact the developers or the support team for your specific Shopify theme. So to do that, you can just go and click edit theme. So right now I'm using the Dawn theme, and then you can click the three dots right here and then click get support. From here, you should see some different options right here in how you can contact the support team for your Shopify theme. So you can also ask the Shopify AI for help, or you can also chat with a human right here. So you can click that and then you can wait for the chat right here to help you with your problem. And then that's it. So those are different solutions in how we can fix the Shopify theme not loading. So I hope that helps you fix the issue, and thank you for watching.